History and culture. Why do people celebrate Cinco de Mayo? On a sunny day in Mexico, our story unfolds in the bustling city of Puebla. Long ago, the brave citizens here prepared for a great battle against their powerful enemies, the French. But why was this day so important? Let's find out. In the heart of Puebla, General Zaragoza rallied his troops. "We fight today for our land and our people," he declared, his voice echoing across the square. The brave soldiers looked determined as they readied themselves for battle. The following morning, a vast French army marched towards Puebla. They aimed to conquer this proud city and take over Mexico. But the brave Mexican soldiers stood ready, determined not to let that happen. As the sun rose high, the French and Mexican armies met in brutal conflict. For hours, they battled fiercely within the city walls. But the courageous Mexicans refused to back down, defending their land with every ounce of strength they had. Meanwhile, a young girl named Juana watched the battle from her rooftop. She prayed for the safety of her city and her people. Little did she know that her prayers would be answered soon. As the day wore on, the brave Mexican soldiers slowly but surely pushed back the French army. Exhausted and battered, they finally emerged victorious from the city wall. General Zaragoza led his troops in triumphant cheers. Overjoyed by their victory, the people of Puebla celebrated with music, food, and dance. They honored their fallen heroes, thankful for their bravery and sacrifice. Little Juana, too, joined in the festivities, her heart filled with gratitude. As the years went by, the story of Puebla's brave stand against the French spread. People from all over the world came to know and appreciate the importance of this victory. And so, they started celebrating Cinco de Mayo every year on May 5th. Today, children all over Mexico and beyond learn about the importance of Cinco de Mayo in their school. They celebrate the holiday with parades, food, music, and dance, keeping alive the memory of the brave citizens of Puebla. And back in that very classroom where our story began, a new group of children listened attentively as their teacher told them about the history of Cinco de Mayo. They learned about the bravery of General Zaragoza and his soldiers, and vowed to never forget their courage. As the story came to an end, the children rushed outside to join the festivities. They danced and sang, their hearts filled with pride for their heritage and the brave people who had come before them. As we close this tale, let us remember the brave citizens of Puebla and their incredible victory against the French. Let us honor their bravery and resilience as we celebrate Cinco de Mayo each year. And let us always be inspired by the power of unity and determination.